If your day starts with coffee, then this is for you. My name is Kate with WTI, and I am honestly loving this pour over coffee maker from HYAXGM. First of all, it is absolutely beautiful. It has this wooden neck, which isn't just pretty, but it also makes it super comfortable to hold, even if your coffee is really hot. And then of course the glass, it's got this diamond shaped detail, so pretty, and it is designed to withstand super hot temperatures or even super cold temperatures. I love the convenience of the filter. So it's a double layer stainless steel filter. So it lets all of those rich coffee oils go through so your coffee tastes really good. But even better, you don't need paper liners and it's reusable. So you just rinse it and you're ready to go again. It pours out super smooth. It has this nice shaped spout, so you have a really beautiful stream of coffee. And it also has this really cool cork ball, which not only keeps in the heat, but also looks really nice. So if you love coffee or you just want something that makes your morning feel a little more special, this is a really cute upgrade or even a really good gift idea. And that's my point of view.